In this module, we will look at registered land. Land registration is based around individual registers which are opened in respect of each title. Each register is split into 3 parts. The property register contains details of the property contained within the title. It describes the estate, freehold, leasehold, rent charge or profit, and makes reference to a filed plan showing the physical land. Where the title is in respect of a leasehold estate, the property register will also contain particulars of the lease and any rights which benefit the land, such as easements where the land is the dominant tenement. If the property is freehold, with a leasehold interest granted, the freehold and leasehold will each have their own title number. The Proprietorship Register contains details of the grade of title awarded by the Land Registry, such as absolute, possessory or qualified, the registered proprietor and their address for service, as well as any restrictions on the proprietor's ability to deal with the title, such as if the proprietor is a trustee or bankrupt. It also includes the price paid since the year 2000. The Charges Register contains details of any encumbrances on the title. Registered charges protecting mortgages are registered in the Charges Register, as well as any leases which have been granted out of the title. Notices protect easements, restrictive covenants and other encumbrances on the title. So, for example, the Charges Register will show the burden of the easement on the servient land. It could also show a legal charge or mortgage. A legal mortgage must be created by deed and registered as a charge on the Charges Register of the borrower's title.